Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of registering for a Kraken cryptocurrency account in a beginner-friendly way. Follow these simple steps to get started with trading and investing in cryptocurrencies on one of the most popular exchanges. Step 1. Visit the Kraken website. Open your preferred web browser and go to the official Kraken website at www.kraken.com. Make sure you are on the correct site to avoid phishing scams. Step 2. Click on Sign Up. On the top right corner of the homepage, you will see a Sign Up button. Click on it to begin your registration process. Step 3. Fill in your email and create a password. You will be prompted to enter your email address and create a secure password. Make sure your password is strong, combining letters, numbers, and special characters for added security. After filling in the information, click the Create Account button. Step 4. Verify your email. Check your email for a verification message from Kraken. Click on the link provided in the email to verify your account. This step is crucial for securing your account. Step 5. Complete the required information. After verifying your email, log into your Kraken account. You will need to fill in some personal information, including your name, date of birth, and location. This is necessary for compliance with regulations. Step 6. Set up two-factor authentication, 2FA. For your account's security, it is highly recommended to set up two-factor authentication. You can choose to use an authenticator app or receive texts on your mobile device. Follow the instructions to enable 2FA for an extra layer of security. Step 7. Verify your identity. Depending on your country and the services you want to use, Kraken may require further identity verification. You will need to upload documents such as a passport or driver's license and possibly a proof of residence. Follow the prompts and submit the required documentation. Step 8. Deposit funds. Once your account is verified, you can deposit funds into your Kraken account. Click on the Funding tab and choose your preferred method of deposit. Kraken supports bank transfers, cryptocurrency deposits, and sometimes credit or debit card options. Step 9. Start trading. With funds in your account, you're ready to start trading. Explore the different cryptocurrencies available on Kraken and begin making trades. It's a good idea to familiarize yourself with the platform's interface and features before diving in. Don't forget to keep your account secure, regularly update your password, and stay informed about market trends. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more cryptocurrency tips and tutorials. Happy trading!